Alright, let's talk about saving your first $1,000 fast. I know it sounds huge when you're just starting out, but trust me, you've got this. Step 1. Track every dollar. For a week, write down everything you spend. It's eye-opening. I found out I was dropping way too much on random snacks and coffee. Once you see where your money goes, it's way easier to plug those leaks. Next, set a clear goal. Saving some money isn't enough. Say, I want $1,000 in my account in the next 2 months. That target makes it real. Break it down. $1,000 over 60 days? That's about $17 a day. Suddenly it feels doable. Now cut out one thing. Just one. Maybe it's takeout or that extra streaming subscription. Redirect that money straight into your savings account. Even small cuts add up fast. Tip 4. Automate your savings. Set up an automatic transfer right after payday, even if it's just $10 or $20 a week. If you never see it, you'll never miss it. And here's one people forget. Sell your stuff. I bet there's something in your closet you haven't used in months. List it online, pocket the cash, that's instant progress. Finally celebrate every milestone, hit $100, awesome, $500, even better. Give yourself a little win, but don't blow your savings spree. Remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about being consistent. Start today, stay on track, and watch that $1,000 pile up faster than you think. You've got this.